should automatically go right to his share screen.
All right. Resending it again right now. TikTok should be coming up again right now. Yep, I see people are joining it. There we go. Let me know.
I see you're live on TikTok.
Okay, there it is. Okay, good. We're up on TikTok. That's a good start.
And remember the goal tab is blocking your new banner that's at the top. There you go. You got
Yep, I just moved it. I saw it over there. Does that look good?
Yeah, it looks good.
Yay! You guys like the new layout over on the TikToks and the YouTubes? Sha, baby, sha. You guys like the little circle that I have created for you for the love? The love.
Okay, YouTube is looking and sounding good, Coach.
Thank you. All right, we should be all the things. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Appreciate you. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day, along with all of my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you. Now, yesterday we had an amazing day. We ended up giving away, I want to say it was like $35,000. We gave away $25,000 worth of memberships to our veterans. And then, of course, I sprinkled in some other ones for other people. So yesterday we did over $30,000 worth of free membership services.
Hoorah, Coach.
That is thanks to all of you, by the way. We could not make that possible without all of you amazing men and women in this room. So thank you to our community as always. Listen, if you guys want to join us, be a part of American Dream Trading, just go to our website with the same name, type it in. You guys can get in. Discord is absolutely free. You guys can also try us out for our premium membership, which is stocks and options training, free for a week. Same with crypto and futures. After the week, it will renew at their regular rates, $125 for premium, $50 for crypto, and $250 for futures. Come on over. There is zero reason. I have given you zero reason to not be able to change your life. Zero. There's no more reason for you to, well, I can't afford it. It's free. I don't have time. We're here literally, 12, 13, 14 minimum hours a day. Well, I work during the day. We're here 7 days a week. You have no reason, no excuse anymore to not be a part of what we're doing over here. Absolutely incredible things are happening inside of this room. We appreciate each and every one of you. There's tons of things for you to check out, even over on our free Discord. Just remember, when you join the free Discord, you must verify your account. If you do not verify your account, the system will kick you off thinking you are some sort of spam bot. We will never direct message or send you a friend request at any time, ever, anywhere. Don't forget, we partnered with our with a prop firm company called Tradeify. You can see it right up there on the top. It says Tradeify. One-day pass evals or get instant funding. Use the code ADT. Check it out. Make sure anytime you reset your accounts or add a new account, use ADT for the best deal you can get. You can have up to 5 accounts using their money as leverage. So again, check it out, Tradeify. If you guys are interested in any of our products and services, though, if you go over to the new members start here, Scroll down the list. You've got the FAQ. We've got all of our affiliates. So if you want to get any type of discount, free shares on Webull, hell, if you want to get a deal on a Tesla, Starlink, SoFi bank account, right? We've got all sorts of deals going on over there. Just check it out. That's inside of the Coach's affiliates. If you want to know where to follow us on all the things, of course, it just says follow Coach. Those are all of our real links. Remember, there's a lot of copycat weird stuff going on out there. We still have that deal going on. This is your last opportunity. We are discontinuing the entire product line for the Diamond Lifetime Membership. If you want to get it, you must get it now. It's on sale for $5K. You want to make 2 payments? Fine. You want to put it on multiple credit cards? Done. Open up a help desk ticket. Just type in pound help desk. You'll see where the channel's at. If you still need help, raise your hand or ask. We have moderators everywhere. I have over 20 moderators that will help you out. So we are here all the time. We have a full help desk service. There is a reason we are rated #1 for stock market education and training in the country, if not the world. So thank you again for being here. If this is your first time, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I have been trading in the stock market now for over 33 years. I have been a professional trainer my entire life, whether it has been for sports, business, or otherwise. I have literally been a trainer my whole life. So thank you again for being here. I appreciate all of you. We're going to have an amazing day here on this November 12th. Why does it say that? Restart. I can't. There we go. Hold on. Oh, it's because that one. Okay, hold on. Sorry, I'm looking at the YouTube chat. November. The YouTube chat was messed up because I was looking at the old one. There we go. There we go. Super chats are available. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. If you want to show support for us being live 3 times a day for 100% free, super chats. That's the way to go, baby. Appreciate you. Yesterday, one of our members donated $250 to help out one of our other members. Who was that? Bruno, who was the member that donated the $250? I want to give him a shout out for helping out other people.
Just tagged you. Ticket 5789.
Can we say the name out loud?
Yep. Margin Call 76 was the person who donated.
Thank you. Margin Call 76. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. Here at American Dream Trading, right? Thank you. Here at American Dream Trading, it's all about people helping people. We got 1 minute to the bell. Levi, better go fast. Go!
Was just going to say, Coach, yesterday you mentioned something about watching a video on YouTube. And as I'm a Diamond member. I get personal coaching from you. And yesterday, or actually this morning, my time, I went on to YouTube, and I got to tell you, I got lost in there for over an hour at all the awesome videos. I'm telling you, I got so much training. I get training every day, but I got so much training on YouTube. So anybody that's out there that's not getting training is an absolute fool. I'm done. Bye.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, we have literally over 2,000 training videos, right? They're out there. Chess, every day in the very beginning of my day, I talk about my products and services. That's how we've made over hundreds of millions of dollars for over 1 million people that I've personally trained in the room. So if you don't want to be here, go ahead and hit the door. Listen, everybody follow the rules today. Nobody go rogue. Appreciate you. Love your faces. Let's crush this market soul.
And congratulations to Chef Mike. Open up a ticket. Thanks.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Appreciate you. All right. Looks like SPY pulling back here right at the open. That's what we were anticipating, right? It ran up in the pre-market. Look for the pullback at the open. Let's see. Apple 2-minute EWO to the downside to start. Apple 2-minute EWO to the downside, right, to start it out. If you guys have any call outs, make sure they're clear and concise so we know what is going on. That'd be great. Get in, get green, and get out. Remember, it doesn't require a whole lot. Just make sure you guys are following all of our rules. SPY right here looking for support around the 684.26 area all the way down to 684. So 684 is the pre-market low. Everybody see that right there? We're looking to see if that's going to be support. 684. By the way, since SPY ran up in the pre-market and everybody in the room is trained on if it runs up in the pre-market, most likely it's going to pull at the open. Did anybody get in that right out of the gate with a nice stop?
I did, boss. $300.
Nice job. Good job.
I did as well.
Oh, good
That's
job.
pulling very hard.
Thank you. Yeah, remember, if it runs up in the pre-market, most likely it's going to want to
Yep.
pull at the open. That's people
Yeah,
selling
all big
off.
7 are downside.
Thank you. That's everybody selling off, collecting their money. All right. SPY right here is now sitting on support at 685. 684. Sorry about that. 684. So that would be a nice collection zone, right, everybody? You can always add in again, right? You can always add in again if it drops lower. And it still has about $1 to go before previous day close, right? So there's still plenty of room to the downside left.
This is beautiful this morning, Coach.
It's beautiful every single day at American Dream Trading because I will train and educate you on how to trade the market, whether it's up, down, sideways, does not matter to us.
Amen.
There goes your bounce. Nice job, anybody that caught the bounce along with me on that double bottom bounce. One of my favorite trades in the business, an A+ setup. Did anybody get in that with me?
I was in there, boss.
Thank you. Made a
100
couple bucks right there. Boom.
I was as well.
Oh, nice job. That's just a nice trade, isn't it, ladies and gentlemen? When the whole world's like, that's it, it's going to crash and burn, and we're over here making money the opposite direction.
Was that Ange?
I think it was actually.
I don't know what you're talking about.
She's not here. Nobody looked.
That's not
Hey,
her.
girl, hey.
Hey, hey, hey.
Got all sorts of celebrities
Hey, girl,
in the
hey.
house today. All right. So we pop back up to the 9. Still looking. Looks like we're going to now get a pullback. So where I longed it on the double bottom, I'm now shorting it against this area. There we go. There's my payday. Oh, my stop was too tight. Still in the trade, but there it goes. Little dab will do ya. Get back on down there now. Looking for this to retest 684 as long as it stays below the 9. 9. Had my stop too tight. There we go. Looking real nice on that short. I just had too tight of a stop. Looking really good here. Hi, what are you doing? Do you want to say hi to everybody? Hi. You're so good. You're so good. The old one. The old one had to come over to say good morning.
I say, do I get pet too, Coach?
Yeah. Here you
Hey,
go.
Pumpkin.
That's nice.
Rough.
Hi, Tinky. You're so good. Hold on. Let me make everybody a bunch of money real quick. Okay, that's nice. Okay, let's see. It came down to 684.11 and then bounced. So it's still trying to rebound off that double bottom. I know. Lay down. Lay down. Relax. All right. Still bouncing. Okay. Nice, nice. Nicey nice. Wow, that didn't stop, did it? Beautiful. Cliff says 5%. Nice job.
Yeah, up to VWAP.
Yep, that's nice. Nice move. Anybody
And
make any
Tesla is
money?
doing the same thing.
Double bottom bounce. Pretty much just damn flat out textbook, right?
Just like you teach, sir.
That's nice. Good job, everybody. Still moving to the upside. Wow, that was a beautiful bounce. Didn't get a whole lot of momentum right out of the gate. Then it came back down for a retest and pew, it's out of here. Love it. Good job, team. Love it when a plan comes together. Always look for those A+ setups. A+ setups. Much better than making 50 trades in a day, right? Set up for those good ones.
Those are some big old candles right there.
Yeah, those were nice. Now testing this 21 right here on the 1 minute. Looking to see if we're going to get a break through that. If we do, we're going to be pushing to that 200. If not, we'll still have weakness in here. Let me check the Qs. I see the Qs are still down, so pretty much all tech right now is to the downside. Really looking.
Apple new low.
Thank you. I'm really looking for SPY to pull a bit here, but it's just continuing to run while the tech stocks are going down.
I don't trust SPY to the upside, however.
Nope, I'm waiting. Just listen to the sound of my voice. We'll be all right. Tesla still to the downside. Yeah, I'm still waiting. The fact that SPY is still kind of staying up here is interesting. When the Qs are just tanking.
Everything is tanking on my chart on the Big 7.
Now, here's what's different, though. Because SPY is staying up there, if all of those decide to breathe and go up a little bit, SPY will pop to the upside, right? Because if it's not being pulled down with those tech stocks and then those green at all, SPY's going to rip to the upside, at least in the short term, right?
Speaking of, the Qs are testing the pre-market low and seem to be holding.
Yep, I see it. Yeah, and traffic from previous day over here too.
IWM is stepping up pretty good to the upside as well.
Thank you. Yeah, we're starting to get
It's
a little.
at a high though.
Thank you. Should have waited for that to break that 200. That's my fault. Yeah, I want to see SPY break this 200 here. I'll get much more comfortable above this. What is it? 685.20 is where I want to see it. Still watching it. Let's take a look at Apple. Apple 2-minute EWO still to the downside. Apple riders, how we doing, gang?
Doing great, Coach.
Good.
Riding.
5%.
Nice job. All right, SPY right here. This is gonna be a big spot right here. The 685 for SPY. I'm gonna short this. Remember not to mirror or mimic my trades, but I'm gonna short this. Have a tight stop. You would have a tight stop above this 200. That's all we're doing is I'm shorting it based upon where it's sitting at because there's a ton of traffic right here. If it pops, I'll just get stopped out just above the 200, and then I'll look at longing it above 685.20. Still sitting here in this consolidation area.
It's a tough spot
There
for
it
SPY
goes.
right now.
There it goes. Thank you. Thank you,
Yep,
Easter
yep.
Bunny. That's nice. Do you believe in love after love? Love, love, love. Thank you. Thank you. I'll be here all week. I'll be here all week. I know. I know. Take it easy. Take it easy on the old man, all right? Appreciate you. Now, think about it. 50-50 shot on that. People 50-50 in the room thought that was going to continue to run higher. And the other 50%, like myself, I'm looking for that as a short. How many people in the room thought that was going to be a long? Be honest.
I did.
Not me.
Not me, coach.
Okay.
Not
Sure,
me.
everyone. I'm gonna admit it. I did.
See? It's okay. You were rolling
Especially
up to
with all the big sevens crashing down. Like, there's no way.
Yeah, and you're rolling up right to a double top open, right? Around that 200 where it opened at. Yeah, that's a no bueno for me to go long. That's why I said I'd have to wait till 685.20 to look at a long, right? Yep, Blanco says I did. Yep, that's okay. Apple still to the downside. Q's just crashing out over here. Where's my mentory from yesterday? Remember I was talking about the Q's? I said add it to your repertoire. You in here? Come on, where are you at? Where's my people's at? Tony, I'm talking about you. There you are. Remember when I said to add the cues to your repertoire?
Yes, I do.
And look how beautiful it is. Just
Straight down.
That's nice. So choice. Yeah, this is where it kind of got stuck at last time, sitting around this spot. So I want to see if SPY's going to make that move back down to 684 or not.
I have a floor on the Qs at 621.25.
Thank you. Yeah, I've got a previous level at 621.34. Oh, that's from all this. Okay. Let's see. So 621.34 and also 622.06. So we're right there, partner. We're right by each other. Good job.
Jeez, Apple. Apple is beautiful. Holy cow.
Is it still rocking and rolling?
Yeah, it's still to the downside. New low, and more new low.
Yes.
They're having a party in the Apple chat.
Oh, I'm sure they're going crazy. They're probably all trying to go and get American Dream trading tattoos on their foreheads and weird stuff. Drinking the Kool-Aid over there.
Why has it got to be the forehead, Coach?
It's for marketing purposes. It's the first thing people will see.
Be quiet.
If you put it on your arm, they might not see it, right? All right.
SPY on a double bottom, Coach.
Yep, I'm watching it. Nice job. 684 crash out.
See, I want to get mine close to the heart.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Appreciate you. I'd put my
Plus,
hand
I got
on,
one there I need to cover up.
I'd put my hand on my heart and then bring my hand out to all of you. But the last time that happened, the media used that against somebody and tried to make it look like something else. So I'm not doing that. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not doing that. All right, double bottom right here.
It's okay now, Mom Donnie does.
That's all right. No politics. Love your face. All right, right here. The double bottom bounce. Come on, baby. Go. There it is. Hey.
Oh yeah, called it.
That's nice. Bang. Where are you going to learn this kind of stuff? Huh?
There's that weird dude on the internet. He's kind of old. I don't know. But you get the idea. Wink, wink.
Appreciate you. Nice
It's
job.
American Dream Trading Coach.
Thank you. Appreciate
He
you.
got a right clean cut beard though.
Yeah, he does. Trim that up real nice. I did that for the ladies.
The guy who slaps babies.
Oh, boy. All right. Take it easy. Take it easy, old man, right? Stop it. All right. Let's see what we got. We had a little bit of a pop there on the double bottom. Of course, I collected off of that. Didn't make a lot, but this is a good solid trade. Double bottom bounce. Remember, they're not always going to be like double bottom bounce, new high a day. That's, I just know where I want to make my money, right? There she blows. Oh, that's nice. Bye-bye. Hasta la vista, baby. Still got a piece of that. I got a tail end of that right there. Look at that. Woo! That's nice. Oh, yeah. Who's your daddy? I'll take her for another ride right there. Was that nice or what? Huh? Yes.
Beautiful.
Boom! I like it like I like it.
Profits in the queues also beautiful.
Yes. Yes. Nice.
IWM's been pretty nice this morning.
Yes, yes.
Who doesn't like a red day? I do.
Oh my gosh, I love it. It's my favorite. It's my absolute favorite. No doubt about it.
Those upper levels, James, though, so be careful.
Oh, I already got mine.
Tony, you see that
Nice.
Tony, you see that stalled out candle right there on SPY?
I do.
See
I'm
how
out.
you see how that's a collection spot?
Yes, sir. I sold everything but one.
Nice job. Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. You're a
I know, I'm
genius.
super excited.
You're a genius.
I only from who I learned from.
That is so good. Here comes your 50% candle retracement we talked about yesterday, right? Do you believe in
Yes.
love after love?
Way to go, Tony.
That's nice.
I can feel.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Well, I told her, right? It's everybody in the room, and you get those massive candles like that. They rip, especially with options. That's called a gamma candle, right? So you get that big gamma push. Your premiums go sky high, right? So as soon as it stalls out, boom, take 80 to 90%. Bam! Let the rider go. It's glorious. It's so choice. And now you've taken all the weight off. All the pressure is gone. You're fearless. You've made the money. Oh my gosh. I love my job.
Coach, I'm up 10% on account.
On the whole account?
On my whole account.
Oh my gosh.
Way to go.
I can't even. Love
All thanks
it.
to you.
Love it. It's glorious. Tony and I had a one-on-one yesterday. That's why we're talking about all this. We did all this live. Am I right, Tony? Every single thing we went through live, right?
Everything. It was beautiful. I was going to say beautimous.
Beautimus Maximus. I appreciate you. That's nice. Still sitting at this exact same level. Still a lot of selling pressure. This is crazy at this spot.
Where have all the buyers gone? Long time passing.
That's great. Oh, that's great. We have 17 cents. Everybody be cool, right? We're 20 cents now away from previous day close, which is 6. I got the wrong chart up. Hold on. Watch for support. Previous day close was 683. 683 was previous day support. There it goes. That's nice. Look at that. And that right there, Tony, is a half candle back. See it? Off of a bleeder. Right
I
there.
see it. I'm still in right now.
Yep, that's 50% retracement right there. Coming off of support, which was at 683, which was previous day close. Everybody remember when we start this out. There's 4 things you mark. Previous day high, low, previous day, pre-market high, low, and then what we talked about, which is also the open and close of day, right? That's nice. So choice. Came back up to this 9, still sitting. Remember, 683 was previous day close, so that's going to fight between that green to red. So that is support, right? Good job.
Yes.
Good job. Yeah, the closer we get to 683, looking for a bigger bounce once it gets there. Kind of letting it work. It's still staying below the 9. We're getting down to 683. Do not go against the grain unless you have a very nice stop in place. So don't try to guess bottom, everybody. You hear me? Now, if it was a double bottom bounce, you know I'm in that. But this is just coming into previous day close, which is still support, but it is not as strong of an A-plus setup for me as a double bottom bounce, correct? Okay, great.
100%.
Yep. But I am going to use it as support. So I'm not, right? I don't want to get it twisted. It's just if you're going to give them different strengths.
Yeah, coach, it looks like AMD is almost out of, it looks like it passed the double bottom, but it's still around support. What do you think of that?
Let me take a look, partner.
Thank you, coach.
Yep. Let's see. AMD. AMD. Excuse me. AMD on the 200. On the 2 minute is sitting on the 200. See it? Yeah. And on the 1 minute. You got to get past this whole 200 right here. That's not going anywhere, partner. Yeah. All those candles, if you look at AMD, are on the 200. Do you see them?
Yes.
Yeah. That has to break that to go to the downside.
No, I was thinking double bottom, but it was a little bit lower than the actual line of a double bottom. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yep, I see it. You're right, though, but that's still all considered that double bottom area, right? Because sometimes you can get basically that wick or that small area to come through.
Yes, coach.
So that's
like
still
the
there.
size of the floor.
Yep. Good eye, though. Good job recognizing that. And Tony, that's why I talked about, right? If we're going to do any type of those double bottoms, double tops, you got to have that buffer zone I showed you, right?
Yep, it's trying to test my buffer.
Yep. Trying to test the buffer.
But
Good job. There we go. That's a nice pullback on SPY. I think I can get a little taste out of that. Yep. A little dab will do ya. Yes.
Glorious this morning. Glorious.
Every day at American Dream Trading is glorious. There it is.
Today's super glorious.
It's always super glorious. Come on. Look at that. Now, Tony.
Beautiful.
Tony, do you see how you're
21 pullback? Oh my gosh.
Tony, do you see how you're still in that, but because you had minimized all of your risk and now you're just in a perfect A+ setup and now it's just running and you're just making money and you don't have any more risk on the table and you've already taken 80 to 90% of your profits and
I'm super comfortable. Woo, woo.
So nice. It's so choice. I like it. Back down to 683.30. Back down to 683.30. This is where it showed that support level earlier. Micro double bottom. Nice. Apple still to the downside. Apple is just getting paid. How we doing, Apple?
That tripped me out on a small account, 38%, but I got it.
Nice job. IWM. Let me take a look at that for you, Dr. One.
We're still about 50% on the Apple contracts.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Yeah, IWM still looking good over here. Why are my EMAs all looking jacked up? So right here on IWM, as long as you guys are above that 245.75, I like it up there, right? Even though you got this blood candle, as long as you're above 245.75, which will also keep you up above VWAP, right? Here's your micro double bottom bounce on SPY. It's tiny, but it is there. Tiny, tiny though, right? Still to the downside. Remember, don't try to guess the bottom and never try to guess the top. Trade the trades, okay? Trade the trades. Qs still collapsing all one direction to the downside, Tony. That's nice. Don't I have another one-on-one today. Who do I have that with? It's a mentorship today. Who is that?
Tesla coming to previous day low.
Thank you. I love meeting with everybody. It's so choice. So choice. Who's life?
I highly recommend it.
It is fun, Coach.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Check is in the mail. Both of my actors that are speaking on my behalf for one-on-one and mentorships, which may or may not change your life.
Shift change 2 minutes.
Results not guaranteed. That's why I said may or may not. Don't come at me, legal. Oh, Tracy, I'm meeting with you today. Nice. Nice, nice.
Let's see what 10 o'clock is going to bring.
Tracy bought 5 hours with me. Nice. Looking forward to it. Look at that pop. Boing. Back up to the 21. This is the test. Right back up to that 21 again.
Less than 1 minute. Let's see.
Thank you. Yep, 50 seconds to shift change. Up on the 21. There it goes. Just made my money again off the 21. That's nice. Fine, I'll take it. I'll just keep taking money from you. That's fine. If you're going to keep doing the same repeatable patterns, I don't have a problem with that. Huh? Thank you. Appreciate you. 15 seconds to the volume coming in, Tony. And team.
Thank you, Coach.
You got it. 5 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you have all your stops in place. Make sure you're collecting as you go. Doing all the things. Here it comes. We're sitting on previous day high, by the way, on SPY. This is why we're getting all this traffic. That along with the previous day close, right?
Yeah.
That's why we're running into all of these problems, and this is why it's treating this as support. Tony, this is previous day high was at 683.57. Remember, everybody in the room, look left. That's nice. Got to look both ways before you cross the road. Am I right?
You're right.
100%.
Coach, you kind of got VWAP, pre-market low, previous day high, and red to green all right in this $1
I know
span.
it. Yeah, it's really
So-
something, isn't it? It's a traffic jam.
Something's going to happen here.
I agree. Look at the cues starting to form a little bit of a boot pattern. Everybody see it?
Yes, coach.
Yep.
Check out the AMD bounce.
Yep.
Testing
Yep.
VWAP.
Yep. I'm watching for SPY to break and hold this 684. What did I say last time? Was it 684.20? Yes, 684.20. SPY gives me a break and hold of 684.20. I'll look at longing that. Otherwise, I'm not touching it yet. Yeah, I can see the cues are starting to curl up. See that? Now, remember though, if it can't break VWAP, all it's going to be doing is showing that channel still to the downside, right?
Right.
Thoughts and prayers, by the way, for Mark. His dad will be in surgery today, so please, special prayer and positive thoughts for Mark and his father today.
Hey, Mark, the family's thinking about you, sir.
Yep. We're here with you, brother. He's over there, by the way, making money in the hospital.
Probably.
He is. He's over there crushing the market on his iPad.
He's like, he's over there. No, I'm on Google. I'm just researching some stuff.
Yeah. I'm just looking up some
$100,000
things.
later.
Yeah. I love it.
I really hate to say it, Coach Ben. I was running around with two of my sick kids yesterday, just all damn day, and I had my personal high yesterday. I posted it in Apple Chat this morning. I was so excited, stinking excited.
Wow, good for you,
So
man.
stinking excited.
That's beautiful. Nice job.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I'll bet you Mark's made like $100,000 sitting there in the hospital, and he's like, "Hey, while we're at it, just take his appendix out too."
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Throw in something nice for him, right? Give him something bionic and cool.
Give him some new hearing, a couple new eyes.
Yeah, that's right. Set him up with something real nice.
Let's replace that hip while we're here.
That's right.
Just pull the plug. I know he wouldn't want to look like this.
We're in here for an extra service, right? Just go ahead and set him up with something real nice.
Well, ma'am, he's only got a sore throat. No.
New eyes.
And don't forget the air freshener.
That's right. Oh, here we go. SPY. Okay, looking for the 684.20 move.
Socks will make a move.
Thank you. Still sitting here. Nobody jumped the gun, for crying out loud. Unless you got it on that micro double bottom. And then, of course, you're set up for success. Here we go. Yes, keep creeping up here. Don't get too excited, ladies and gentlemen. We want to see this break and hold a 684.20, right? I want to see a break and hold a 684.20, and then she's looking real nice. Q's still trying to form that nice boot pattern. It's running up on VWAP right now. SPY is right on resistance, 684.20. Look left. You see this? This is resistance. Don't get excited. Look at that. Oof.
All right, also moving up.
Thank you. Apple as well. Apple double bottom bounce at 271.80. See it?
Yes, I did. Thank you, coach.
Nice job. Collect. Nice.
Not only I collect, I bought call again.
And look at the pullback on SPY. Did I save anybody's butt on that 684.20? I know you were wanting in there. I know you did.
You did, boss. Thanks.
That was VWAP too, right, Coach?
Mm-hmm. Yes. I told you, everybody was like, yay, it's going to go to the moon. Boom. Sit back down.
With 29% on the way up, I did.
Oh, good job. Look at that 684.20 pullback, ladies and gentlemen. Love it. You seeing that? Huh? Come on now. Was that beautiful or what?
It was spot on, my friend.
Nice job. Bogdan says, Coach, oh, wow, 41% on a $1,300 account. ADT, Mark, Coach, rocks. Thank you. Appreciate you. Bogdan, I watched your testimonial last night in the Futures Room. Appreciate you. It was a good testimonial. Should make a video off that. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Don, thanks.
Heard.
Thank you. It was at the 1 hour 53 mark.
What, during the live?
Yep, I'm on Mark's Futures Live yesterday. It's the 1 hour and around 53, 54 mark. Bogdan talks for about 6 minutes about how it's turned him around. He's only been in here a week and already completely turning everything around. Said it was amazing. Been a part of other communities. Nothing is like this. Yes, check it out.
That's awesome. We got a nice testimonial from Chad H on the aftermarket last night.
Oh,
I'll do something
nice.
to both
Sounds
of
like
them.
another video to be made.
Yep.
Nice, nice. I like it.
AMD approaching double top.
Thank you. There's that 684.20 again. See it? Yeah, don't forget, everybody. 7-day free trials across the board. Crypto, stocks and options, and futures. 7-day trial. Come on over. Check us out. See why we are the best. You're simply the best. Get it. Money train time.
You're the best.
All right.
Voxel first green EWN.
Thank you. Everybody look to the sky. Nice.
I synced it.
Nicey nice.
Oh, right in the eye.
Right? Jump for that bird poop. Richard, stop it. If I have a Discord that was linked to a Telegram, would I have to create a new disc? No, I don't. I think you'd be all right. Just remember, we don't use Telegram and WhatsApp, but yes. I think you'd be all
Coach,
right.
I actually got.
Be careful of those apps.
Yep.
I actually got hit by pigeon poop at a zoo in Sweden. It was like, damn it.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Only one place.
Wait, don't they?
Maybe
You know what though? Don't they say that's actually good luck?
Yeah, man. If you're
It
Italian,
isn't good
look.
luck when you put your hand there and go, "Oh shit!"
Well, look where you are now. It was great luck.
Not good luck.
It's not good luck when Johan's throwing it at you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, or it's one of those crazy monkeys throwing it at you, right?
That
Yeah,
was
in
no
Gibraltar.
pigeon.
You got to watch out in Gibraltar for those monkeys.
Yeah, the monkeys.
Is that
get
when your eyes
crazy.
started going down?
Oh, that is it. That's what caused the whole thing. You're right. Good call on
Qs
that.
are testing VWAP and the 21 breaking higher.
Thank you.
Break and hold, need it.
Yep, thank you. SPY, I'm still waiting for that 684.20 break and hold to the upside, right?
Yeah, Apple broke VWAP too.
Let me look at Apple on the not on the 2-minute. You guys are watching it on the 2-minute, right? You got a long ways to go before the VWAP.
Not on the 1 minute either.
Yep. All right, right here. A SPY
Yeah,
coming
broke
back
the
up.
21, but not VWAP.
Yep, SPY's coming back up. 684.20. That is resistance. Now, if you're an advanced scalper, you know at 684.20, you guys can keep shorting that until it doesn't let you do it anymore, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Right on.
Coach, AMD new high. Let's
Thank
go.
you. Nice job. Tony, how we doing over there?
Voxel new high, coach. Riding that 2-minute EW.
Yes, thank you. Good job.
Mena
Run
is
that
going
2-minute
straight to
what?
hell right now.
Doing okay, coach.
Okay, good.
I know I kind of stuttered there, huh?
You're all right. Just look for that
Chop
next
it, Don.
A. Look for that next A plus setup. Don't be in all the little choppy chop, right?
I'm out. Just watching for now.
Yep. Good job. How did you do?
Ended up break even on my last contract, but that's okay.
That's what it's designed to do, right? Take that 80 to
Right.
90% and let the last one work, right?
Exactly what I did.
Yep. Good job.
Thank you.
Yes, beautiful work. That's why I said it takes all that stress out. You already took all the money. And if you look at this, like look at this big picture. If you look at that candle, right? That big old candle where it stalled out, and right here's where I said to collect. It hasn't gone any lower than that, has it?
No.
So this was a great spot, wasn't it, to take that 80 to 90%?
Perfect spot. Thank
Bingo.
you.
Bingo. You guys want to know why? Hold on, I'm going to show you something funny. My wife picked these up for all of us. Hold on. It's because I got Jesus over here riding shotgun on the Cybertruck. There it is. Can you guys see it?
Nice.
Everyone needs a
That's
little
awesome.
Jesus.
Is
Yeah,
that great or
thank you.
what?
I have a bunch of those little Jesuses. I hand them out here. Everyone needs a little Jesus.
Yeah, I got a bunch of them. Isn't that funny, though?
That's nice. That's great.
See? Right here. Look. Jesus, take the wheel. There it is.
He did. Says your road dog.
He did when we had that wreck.
Yeah.
Your wife should have one of those.
That's right. I got a bunch of them over here. Isn't that funny, though? She gave it to me. He's Jesus is over here chilling with a Cybertruck.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Look at Spy.
Oh, Spy, that is beautiful. Beautiful. Did it break and hold the 684.20 for you to go long?
No. And everything else starting to pull too.
Interesting. Soxel double top. You guys see your double top pullback on Soxel, right? Okay, great. Look left. You see it? That's a double top, right?
The Qs have settled into a horizontal channel between 619.75 and 621.75.
Thank you. Yeah, look at this. Beautiful, right? Right here. You see what I'm marking out there, Tony? Remember we talked about this, right? So this is the lower level that I need to wait for break and hold to break through before I even consider that thing to short again. See it?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yep.
I appreciate the confirmation of what I'm over here doing.
Yep, absolutely. By the way, I worked with her yesterday. That's why I'm giving extra special attention, because I want it to really sink in there, right? And it's live. This is why I said all of the things that we go over, it's use it in real time, right?
Yes, coach, get that money's worth, right?
Yep, that's right.
I appreciate you, coach.
No worries. Appreciate you. Now look at that. You see everybody right here, how it's stalling out on this bottom? We need to see a break and hold down there before anybody gets all crazy on the shorts. See it? Okay.
683 seems to be a big support.
That is correct. 683 was previous day close.
682.44 was pre-market low.
Yep. 680. I'll make it right. I'll make it look right on there. Right here. This is what I'm looking for. I want to see this get through that 683. And now we're fighting.
Going bye-bye.
And now we're fighting between green and red on SPY to the penny, right? Secure little Jesus on the microphone. Oh, that's a good point. How about right there? How about right there? I got the orange. And it says Jesus loves you. Oh, that's nice. I'm going to put that right there. Right. Look at that. Huh? He's riding shotgun on the shotgun mic.
Jesus loves you, yes,
See?
I know.
Can you guys see it? Ding. Look at that.
Amen to that.
That's nice. All right, come on. Looking for a break of 683 here. It's got a break and hold. Don't be getting all crazy on me, folks. Look at this. Look at this bounce. This is why you got to be really careful on that support level. Oh, that got sold really quick. I like that. Come on, push. Come on, get back down there. Let's take a look at Apple. Nope, Apple's still heavy. See what it's going to do. Collect as you go on pullbacks 50, 20, 20, 10. Scalpers on these key critical areas, you always collect, right? On these major areas, yes? Because you can always add in again.
Yes, sir.
Trader gal. I know you said you've been trading for years. Obviously not with the success that you've wanted, or you wouldn't be in here. I do not recommend that you are using that money when it settles in your Webull account. I do not recommend that for you. Paper trade. I don't give a crap how many years you've been trading. If you're not a multi-millionaire doing it, then you should be training and not trading. Otherwise, you wouldn't be looking for other communities. Am I right, everybody in the room?
Amen,
Coach. Yep.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Take it from me.
Yep. Take your
You won't look
time.
for other communities after being here.
Yeah, just take your time. Calm down. Relax. It's okay. You got nothing but time here, all right? Time is on your side. All right.
Except for Richard.
Except you saying Richard's on borrowed time.
Oh my God.
Because he got shit on. Oh, sorry, Jesus. I got to be.
Be nice.
Did you guys see me look right at Jesus
No.
when I said it? And I
Yep.
had to apologize because now he's right here next to my mouth when I'm saying naughty words. So now I really got to be careful. Sorry,
Was-
Jesus.
Baptism by pigeon.
Yep, I'm going to.
He's gonna do a burnout on your
That's why
desk.
your wife gave it
Now
to
I
you.
have to behave. I know he'll probably do a
Gonna be
big
sitting
old
on your hat in a
burnout,
minute.
ruin my desk. Sorry.
Donuts.
Yep,
The invisible Jesus is working.
it is. It already is. Look at that.
We got some extra good news today. Bostic is also going to retire at the end of the Fed, so we have two that are.
Yeah, but we got to
that
get through
will
to
be
what?
removed.
April?
Unfortunately, that's true, but
Uh,
it's still in the right term. So
yeah, they need to get out.
yeah,
Get out.
but he's the Atlanta Fed guy, and that means two could be gone, would be replaced.
Now, Tony, notice this came back really fast, right? You see how fast this came back to this downside? That we want to be watching for that. Remember, it didn't take a long time to get here.
Right.
So that means I'm going to get ready for a short. Right? Okay,
I've got it
great.
open and ready, but
All right.
not pulling the trigger yet.
That's right. Stair stepping down nicely. We have to break and hold 683. I don't care what it does. I don't care where it sits. I don't care nothing. If this just keeps candling in here, I am not touching this. I need you all to remember this is still support, right? Even though it's downside and the momentum is downside and all the things, I've got to really be careful and conscious about this 683 level. If it breaks and holds through here, then and only then will I look at it, right? And you could still have a bunch of buyers down there. So I don't want anybody doing anything silly trying to short this early. Do you hear the sound of my voice?
Yes.
All right.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a green candle on the
Yes,
1
sir.
minute. It's even number and it's a previous day's low.
Oh yeah, there's just too many things sitting here. The 9's getting really tight to it.
Too many strikes against it.
Yep. I just want to be cool. Now, if it does break through, you could get a bleeder candle, right? Because that means that the buyers will start to get stopped out. So we could see, right? Big long candle. And then be careful. Watch for the stall on the long candle, because then everybody's like, now's the time. So these are the things, the mental things we need to be looking for. Look at that. Look at that bounce right there. Whose butt did I save?
Mine.
Yup.
Fine, coach.
Yup. It's just not a good setup, right? Not yet. At least not if you're trying to short it. And we're definitely not trying to guess bottom. And we're not at a double bottom bounce, right? So everybody's just kind of chilling and waiting. Let's see what the Qs are up to.
The Qs have been
Spies just
operating
grinding it.
beautifully in a horizontal channel, had 4 scalps up and down.
Yep. Looking good. All right, let's look at that Soxal. Soxal pulled back to VWAP, bounced, coming back up to that 44.34, which was the open high right as soon as it opened. You can see I've got this clearly charted out. This is the upper side of this. See it right here?
Yes, coach.
All right, SPY coming back. Here we go. Still sitting in this consolidation range, all down here. If it does drop a bleeder candle, I'll catch the tail of it, but I will have a tight stop, because a lot of times when it bleeds through like that, it'll put the brakes on quick and try to bounce before it collapses again. So there's the bounce again. The 9 is right there. Now, last time it hit the 21 twice. Looking to see if we're going to get this pull through down here. Yeah, AMD nice to the upside here. AMD had huge news today, didn't it?
We've been calling it out, coach.
Yep. $683 bounce again. What was the AMD news today?
I don't think there was anything juicy.
Oh, really? Wow.
Today. Yeah.
10.5% on no news.
Yep.
That's
I'm
crazy.
looking.
Actually, she was talking on CNBC about the what they're doing with AI and how they're moving forward. So if you saw that, that made people move.
Yeah, it says, is this a
I
partner?
think the news came out yesterday, coach, but people are reacting to it today.
Right.
It looks like it's Nvidia's loss too, just based on what the charts look like.
Yeah, let me take a look. Yeah, Nvidia's barely moving, but AMD is just a rocket ship today. That's good. I like it. Remember, AMD's talking about being in the AI game. Remember, they're trying to get into where Nvidia's just running it. All right, here we go. Here we go again. SPY. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles that it's touched downside. And the 9 is closing in. The 9 is super tight now. A minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my stop just above this 9. This is the squeeze play. Right? The 9 is super tight on it. I'm getting paid. Let's see if I can get more. I don't want too tight of a stop. I want it to work. Looking for a bleed. There it goes. Just got paid. It's Friday night. I know. Thank you. I'll be
Hear
here
those
all week.
smacks.
Coach is
You hear those
excited.
smacks?
Thank you. I'll be here all week. Don't forget to tip your moderators.
Let me go drop some roses for you, Coach.
That's nice. This 9 is so tight right here with it. Didn't make a ton of money, but don't always have to make a ton of money. How about I make 10 beautiful trades, right? Instead of a bunch of garbage. How about I look for these nice A setups and hammer them, right? You betcha. You bet your bottom dollar. I love the way this is squeezed down now. I like it.
To the down, right?
Yes. Yep. Below 683. That's glory. I already made my money. I just took that quick scalp. Had a nice candle for me down there. But yeah, look at it following that 9 now perfectly. Looking for a big old flush out here. Just shoo.
I have the news on AMD now, Coach.
Tell me.
They announced 58% gross margins on their product and 35% operating margins, which is through the roof.
Yeah, that's insane. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's really good. Means it doesn't cost that much, right, to produce, which is great. Now we're sitting flat. Same thing again. I mean, I could short this again right here. I missed it. Damn it. I was going to short it as soon as it touched this 9 again. Because remember, I've got minimal risk, maximum reward, right? This 9 right here, it's got to hold this little 9, the 683 level, because this is that fight between red and green, right? There it goes. All right. There it goes. Okay. All right. Up to the 21. Is this going to be that like fake out?
We should know where it goes from there.
Yep. Is this going to be that fake out? Nothing's left to give.
Fake out and then a bleeder.
Yep. That's exactly what I'm looking for. That's exactly what I'm looking for. It touched the 21 on that last move right there.
Yeah, and that's pretty much the channel, Coach. From at 683.25 down to 682.90 now.
Yep, absolutely. And that
Pops
683
or drops either way.
Yeah, 683 is still now. Everybody in the room, when in doubt, straddle it out, right? You could buy a call and a put, see which one's going to take over. This is the perfect spot for that, right? Look at that. Wow, what a squeeze play. If you guys watched one of my latest videos, I talk about this exact move, don't I? This is the exact move I talk about where it squeezes down with the 9.
Yep.
Right? I mean, it keeps squeezing and squeezing and squeezing. It's got a pop or drop off that.
Did you see that short? Is that why you mentioned that?
Yes. Correctamundo. All right, right here, 683. Same drill, and now we're getting.
Because I love you.
Look at Jesus is with me.
Jesus is always hanging out.
Come on, baby, go down.
Yep. Off the 21. Shorting it.
Man, I'm getting horrible feels. How about y'all?
No, but I'm doing futures on my end, so it might be a little different. There we go. There it is. Come on, keep going. That's nice. That was a little fakey pop, wasn't it?
Yeah, I got out. Yeah.
With the overall trend or direction of the day being down to the
Downside.
downside, being below VWAP, it's going to take some volume for it to get up over VWAP and hold.
Yeah, it's got a long ways to go to VWAP, right?
Yeah, what was that? About 80 cents.
Here we go, sitting down there again. 683, baby. Same drill.
Is anyone else seeing a stripe running across Coach's face on the camera?
Oh, I know the.
That's the sun.
Yeah, it's I had to put up paper blinds in here just to protect the sun until I can find a permanent solution of what I want to do in this room. And it's got like a one little space. There goes that drop I was looking for. Who hammered that with me off that 21? Anybody? Was
Yes,
that
it did,
nice?
Coach.
That was nice, right?
I did, Coach.
Good job.
And here I thought it was reflection off his beard.
Yeah, so it's got like this, look at one little like crack. I need to fix that. I also got to put one over here because about 3 o'clock, this is like, just shines in here all crazy on me. Remember, the room I'm in it's all windows. Like it's just all windows. It's a big sunroom.
I may have misheard you, but did you say you put shades up to protect the sun?
Yeah, because it's.
Are you Chuck Norris Jr.?
Yeah, right. It's blinding in here where the sun comes through. I do need to. I thought I had some clips in here. I might be able to clip that because it's like wrecking my soul.
We didn't see it until you put the baby Jesus up.
Oh, you know what? That's what it is. It's shining down on the Lord. Right.
Blessings. Just blessings coming your way.
Blessings to all of you that are watching the program today. Am I right? Look at the sun shining down. Look at it. It actually looks like it's shining down on Jesus, don't it? That's nice. Don't forget, it is after 10 o'clock. If you guys want to join us, American Dream Trading, last opportunity. This is the last call for Diamond Lifetime memberships. Get it now. Do not cry later. We are going to completely remove that program. Appreciate you and everybody that got in on it. By the way, I think we sold like 480 of those or something ridiculous.
Hoorah, Coach.
Yeah, that's crazy. So almost 500 of you were able to take advantage of that and never have to pay another dime again. Bunch of geniuses.
Coach, that's phenomenal, man.
That is
You have
pretty
such a
awesome.
big heart, man. Seriously.
It's all right. I think Bruno told me it only costed me $6.5 million when I did that.
Ooh.
That's nice.
Ouch.
Come on, keep going. There it goes. Oh, that's nice. Come on. That's nice. That's a great spot for this to be. Look at that. Look at that. That's glorious. Who's in that, by the way? Tell me.
I'm with you.
That's nice.
I am, Coach.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
I'm in lightly.
Yes. That is nice. Now, I want you guys to notice something. Notice I treat my small account the same as I do the large account, right? Do you see what I'm doing? That's because I need to keep the brain the same no matter what I'm trading with, right? Does everybody notice when I do that? I'm not, it's like, oh, it's $50. You could just get stupid with it. Notice I don't do that. I still trade it like it's $10,000, right?
I feel so much easier when I do the straddle. I mean, you get rid of the other one so quick. It's more comfortable for me, at least for me, anyways.
Absolutely. It's a good insurance policy too, right? For either way.
Exactly.
Yep. Yep.
But sometimes I tend to hold on to it just in case,
Yeah,
it might
sure.
go back up.
Yeah, absolutely. But it's nice because, like I said, you got a little bit of insurance in there. Now, that break is 683. That's where we shorted it, right? The break and hold below 683, right? Isn't that we talked about all morning long?
All morning, sir.
All morning. Like the whole morning. That's all we talked about. Break and hold at 683 downside. Nice job. Look at these candles. These are crazy candles, right? Wow, that broke through the 2-minute regression channel and everything. See it? Wow. That is really something. Who is in that below 683? Please tell me you're in that.
Yeah, I'm still in it.
Good job.
I was, boss. I got in, got green, and got out, though.
Nice job. Oh, there's a little bit of a stall candle. Stalling out. Get me out.
Unknown caller.
Ah, that wasn't supposed to purchase that. Do you guys see how my stop actually purchased that?
Sorry.
Whoops. Yep. Good job, everybody. Nice job.
Apple's testing VWAP.
Thank you. So right there, Tony, that is that stall candle, and there's your 50% retracement on the candle. See it?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Now, hey, there's Palm. Palm's in the room. Yay.
I've been here all morning. I just traded my ass off.
Oh, nice. Welcome. Welcome to the mic, because you've already been here trading your butt off. I got to watch my P's and Q's, Palm. As you know, I got Jesus right here next to me, so I can't be all swearing all truck driver in here like you know I want to. Wah, wah.
And that's why I joined.
There you go, right? That's right.
Coach, if you've ever driven a truck,
Every other
know-
word out of your mouth in the beginning was very nice for me.
Yes. No, I have not drove an official truck. No, I have not.
oh boy, do it one time and you'll wonder why they cuss so much.
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure.
Second 2-minute EWO to the upside on Apple right at VWAP.
Thank you. Oh, yep, I see it on Apple. How are we doing over there, Apple gang? Did you guys all collect and did all the things and everybody's
Yes,
like, oh.
Coach.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Hey, Coach, just a little training for some new guys. You've mentioned a couple of times this morning about the 50% retracement.
Yes.
On a big candle.
Yes.
Might want to let some of these people know exactly what you mean by that and what it determines.
Yeah, so if you guys look at it, right, it's based on this 1-minute candle, right? So you can see that it just completely bled out on this 1-minute candle, and then it stalled, right? And this is, Tony, this is what I talked about yesterday, right? When it stalls, this is where I collect. This is where the gamma stops on options, right? It just puts the brakes on. Once it does that, I'll look for buyers to come in, right, which they do typically, and they'll drive it up. Minimally, I'm looking for around half of the candle, right? So buyers will come scooping it back up. It's because it bled out so hard that the market kind of wants to recover a bit. It's basically the way that works. So it's that little bit of recovery and then try to figure out what it wants to do. So if I'm in a put though, and I get a long 1-minute candle and it stops, I'll collect right there about 80 to 90% of my money, because again, typically I will look for it to rebound or breathe back before it makes the next move to the downside. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir. Good explanation, Coach. Thank you.
Yep. Lencho says Bruno booted you off because, yeah, we don't do telegrams, but we typically wouldn't have removed you if you have a telegram. But if you had anything inside of your name that was like another trading group or something weird and then had a telegram, yeah, of course we would ban you, right? For sure. But Lencho, we can look at it. But yeah, if you guys come in here and we see a bunch of stuff, or if we see that you're in like 87 communities and groups and weird stuff, we don't want nothing to do with that crap. Because usually people are just farming a bunch of free information and or scamming other groups taking their stuff. Does that make sense, everybody? We don't do that here. We can see every because we're one of the top largest WAP partners there has ever been. Since the day we walked in the door, we can see everything you are a part of and what you have done. So if we get any weird red flags, we just kick you out. Yeah, just create a different Discord with a different email account. Come on over, and then we can reassociate it and do all the things for you, Lencho, okay? Well, that's just our security protocols, just trying to make sure, right, that we keep everybody on the up and up. That's all. So if we did it on accident or you were not a scammer or whatever, we apologize and we'll make it right. We'll get you in here, okay? Unfortunately, that's the business we're in, is we're dealing with every little kid is trying to sell some sort of Discord or an e-course, and right? You always know who it is, by the way. They'll stare at the screen with music on. Does everybody realize that? Anybody in the room? If you've ever watched anybody, if all you see is them staring at a screen with music on, what does that scream to you? Am I right? Does that look like a trainer? Does that look like a mentor? Does that look like somebody you want to try to learn from? Anybody in the room?
No.
Sure they don't send free
Negative.
No, coach.
Yeah, I'm
Too
not.
many gummies.
Yeah, not playing that game. No thanks. And I see it all the time. I'll be scrolling through TikTok, right, looking for a funny cat video, and I'll see somebody with headphones, music, staring at the screen in their mom's basement, talking about getting you into their Discord. Am I right? Like, oh boy, here we go again.
And they're actually playing Call of Duty, not trading.
Exactly. They're just showing you the screen. Oh, that's hilarious. Yeah, listen, if you're not getting constant feedback, if you can't ask questions, if they don't have a live microphone, there's a reason for all of that, ladies and gentlemen. You might just want to just keep on scrolling until you find American Dream Trading, who will actually train and educate you, who've been here for over 3 years straight, answering hundreds of thousands of questions. We're here 6 hours a day with live open microphones, with over 20 moderators, with a full help desk. We're a full legal corporation, partnering with other U.S. companies, doing all the right things, leading the industry in training and education, creating over 14 self-made millionaires, training over 1 million people. You might have come to the right place. Thank you. Appreciate you. Oh, too kind. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And we'll only charge $5,000 one time.
One time.
Forever learning, both with deep classes, everything. Ridiculous.
It is. It's pretty amazing. Take advantage of it. If
It
not,
has the heart
it's okay.
of the Grand Canyon.
Thank you. Appreciate
Yeah.
you all. Thank you. 167
you know the
viewers.
ones that really get me?
Yes.
The ones that don't even look like they've gone through puberty yet.
Yeah, that's my favorite part.
And I'm supposed to take financial. I mean, come on.
Yeah, that's insane. That is absolutely insane. It's weird, though, because the young people don't know and they just want to follow somebody who looks like them. But, gang, that is a dangerous game you're playing, right? I mean, do you want to follow them into their mom's basement? Right? Is that what you want? You too
That's
want
funny,
to
Coach.
learn how to live in your mother's basement? That's nice. That's nice.
Guns in the 21s got tied there again.
Yes, I see it. 683 again, remember?
Yep, even number. Here we go. It's just crawling around on it.
Yep. Same thing. If you look at this is that same area right here, isn't it?
Yep, as it did before.
And 683, if you guys remember, was previous day close. We're 10 cents away from that fight from red to green, where once before it was green to red. So this is resistance that I'm shorting. Not to mirror mimic my trade, but if this is going to be resistance, and there it goes. Look at that. Yes. Yes.
244 was a pre-market low.
Thank you. Get down there. That's nice. That's nice. By the way, did anybody enter, made a couple more bucks, did anybody enter the Tradeify World Cup? Grand Cup, they're calling it. I'm in there. Did anybody enter that? They're doing $2 million in prizes, 200,000 grand prize. Every day they're eliminating 30% of the lowest traders. I'm still in there, baby. American Dream Trading's the name in there. We're still in it. We're still in it. Sha, baby, sha. Today, only the top 2,370 traders will advance to tomorrow. There will be another cut today. There will be another cut today. I can't imagine if I actually traded in that. I think I've made 8 trades. And I'm still top ranked. Off of 8 trades. Oh boy.
Let's go, Coach.
Yep, pretty funny.
8 good ones.
Yep, pretty funny though.
Yep, when they're good trades, hey, that's all you need.
That's right.
Well, that's what you get when you know what you're doing.
That's right. Has anybody used the Tradeify using our discount code ADT yet? I've seen 15 referrals have come through there. Is anybody loving that or what? Hopefully you are. We wanted to be with a reputable.
I think they're all in futures.
Yes, we wanted to be with a reputable, amazing U.S. company. That's why we chose them. Notice I've got it up on my live stream right now. Frank, you got your hand up. Go ahead, partner.
Hey, Coach Frankie in West Palm. You know what? I love, Coach, that statement you're saying now is look left, because you always say a little bit more, and I'm out. Like I didn't take as much as I should.
Yeah.
And when you say, all those things where you say look left, now I've got a feeling of where you're looking.
Yeah.
You're trading
right?
to the wall.
Yep.
And I'm loving that. Thank you, Coach. That helped me out a lot.
Yeah, appreciate
Get
you,
a little
man.
bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. You're looking left.
That's right. Always. Yep. I'm always looking left. Yep.
Thank you, Coach.
You got it, partner. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you.
Appreciate you.
West Side. Everybody's like, what is going on? There's that pullback, 683 pullback, baby. Anybody else short that when I did? That's nice. Want to stay below this 21 right here. This is what you will be watching if you are in that short, right? Or 683. So if you've got a smaller position with a looser stop, my stop is above 683. If I'm into a larger position with a tighter stop, it's just above the 21, right? Letting it move, letting it work. Just remember, you could get wicked out, so be careful. I could see a wick right up to here. See this? So this could be 21, 21, 21, 21, 21. Try not to get wicked out. Let it work for the downside, okay? As long as we're respecting the 9. It's a beautiful setup.
Did you take yours already, Coach?
I did, but that's because I had a really tight stop, so it just
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I did too, and if you're going a little more, I'm saying, oh man, I missed that.
Yeah, yeah. Yep.
All right.
Yeah, I'm really keeping them tighter stops because of doing what we're doing and all the things. Some days though, I'll do small and let it run forever. Other days, I'll stop. I like quick.
Gotcha, Coach. It adds up, boy. It really does.
Yep, it really does, man.
Hey, Coach, when you're looking at that 1 minute on the spot, you see all of those wicks coming from the bottom, pushing up.
Yep.
And I know everything's to the down.
Yep.
We're trying to short off of that 21.
Yep. But that's
How does
showing
that
you
make you
support.
feel with all those wicks?
Yep, it's showing you that support right there, right?
Yeah, it's just so you got a really small area there to
you do,
scalp.
but remember 683 is the ceiling, right?
Okay.
Yeah, because 683 is your ceiling. So that's your highest level that we're watching for. Because remember, we looked at you can't go long until what was it, 683.20, right?
Yep.
And 683 was the previous day close. So that is my resistance ceiling, right? So I've got this window right here. And remember, it's downside momentum, right?
Yep. So all those wicks pushing from the bottom up doesn't bother you to scalp that to the
does,
short?
but they'll eventually break. They'll stop buying it there, right? It'll eventually break. If it's going to do that, right? You have to let them.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, the buyers will it'll get exhausted. There will be no more to buy there, and the sellers will just run over their head, right?
Yep. But it is really respecting the 21 right there.
Yep. But see this? Bye. And that's why, partner.
Yeah, that's great.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. But yeah, I'm always, you're right. I'm always concerned with it. I'm always watching it. And that is telling me that support, because you can see every time it touches around the 682, it's technically 682.50. So every time it touches, they're trying to buy it up. The more times it does it though, right? The more touches it has, the more opportunity it's going to have to break through. We've already got it. There it goes. There's your payday. There you go.
Yeah, it fell out. Bottom fell out right there.
Yeah, that's people will get tired of trying to buy it there. They're going to you know what? I don't like it anymore. There's nobody here with me to buy it, right? That's nice.
Yeah, that's what I was saying earlier, Coach. It was going to take a lot of volume for it to come in to even test VWAP.
100%. Yeah, VWAP is so far away from here, right?
Yeah. Like I say, that 683.25, that's kind of like a
And what
a
did
high
I
point there.
Yep.
It couldn't get above it.
That's right. And what did I say? I had to break and hold before I even attempt a long over there, right? What was it? 683.20.
20.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, 683.20 for sure. Yeah.
Yep. There you go.
Yep.
Listen, it's almost 11 o'clock. I got to fly. I've got a one-on-one. If you guys want to do a one-on-one with me or mentorships, open up a help desk ticket. Get in there. They go pretty fast. Obviously, we have limited amount of time. Get over there. Get set up. Let's speed up the process. Right? Now, obviously, I'm not sitting there clicking the buttons and doing the things for you, but listen, you sit down with me or David for an hour. Do you have any idea how much more advanced training you are going to get? Specialized advanced training to meet exactly what you need right now. What is that worth to you, right? How would you like to speed up your training? Okay, great. We'll see you over there.
Do it.
Thank you. Open up a help desk ticket. I'll see you guys all over there. Listen, I appreciate everybody being here. Scoop up that diamond. I'm telling you right now, you better do it. Get it now. Get it while the getting's good. Head on over there. Yep, there we go. Thank you, Bruno. Just posted all the hours. I see it.
Coach,
Yes, go ahead.
like I always say, thank you for being you.
Absolutely. I appreciate all of you. We had a lot of people buy the 2 hours. That seems to be like a good starting point. Listen, all of you right now, flash sale until noon. It's 11. 1 hour. If you buy 2 hours, I'll give you an extra hour. So that'll be 3 hours for 2 hours. If you guys buy 10, I'll give you 2. You buy 20, I'll give you 3 free hours, right? So whatever you want to do, go over there, check it out. All the links are posted. We want to help you out. Come on over and see us, right? I have those hours like that. If you guys want to meet with me once a week, I have people that are meeting with me literally once a week. I have people that are meeting me once every other week for a year straight, right? Like these are going to be some amazing stories we're going to have. So anyways, join us. Go to American Dream Trading. Click all the things and do the stuff. I appreciate all of you being here. By the way, we broke 17,000 subscribers over on YouTube, so I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you to all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Buckle, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. Thank you to all of my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you. Brian, I see you just scheduled a one-on-one with me. Nice. I will see you December 1st. Very nice. All right. I'm out of here. Love your faces. God bless everybody. Jesus says, oh, he's in the sun now. Jesus says, everybody be cool. Go be the light. Go tell 3 people about American Dream Trade.